Even the dealership parts departments makes mistakes. It happens. Anyway, this video is about how to make any gasoline engine last longer. What is the secret? The secret is stop doing oil changes 5 and 10,000 and 15,000 miles. And then what will you be rewarded with in return? Engines that don't seize up, engines that don't have sludge problems, engines that don't consume oil. I'm going to give you a prime example of my son's 2025 Kia K4, I think this is. 12,000 miles on the odometer. Pesky airbag light is back. Comes and goes. And a 15,000 mile oil change sticker. This oil has been changed at 4,000, 8,000, and 12,000 miles. 3,000 mile intervals. I assure you this vehicle will never have a seizing up problem. This vehicle will never have an oil consumption problem because we're not pushing the engine oil past its limits. It's a pretty simple trick. I can tell you that I haven't lost an engine from not changing the oil properly or with sludge issues. Now, I've lost an engine from mechanical failures that had nothing to do with lubrication, just mechanical wear, and that does happen. But everyone who's out there scratching their head why their engine burns oil, it starts with you following the guys who led you down that road. That would be the dealership or manufacturer or your buddy or YouTube or TikTok that gives you misinformation. The secret is change your oil every 3,000 miles, do the maintenance, use better quality fuels than just the cheap stuff all the time, and you won't have an engine that burns oil or runs out of oil, like the video I did this morning where the customer is driving away with no oil on their dipstick. It can only lead the horses to the water. It can't make them drink. That's the secret. Thanks for watching.